slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough, you wanna hate this, I'ma show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog. For today's video, samahan nyo ako sa aking travel papuntang Divisoria. Magko-commute tayo using the LRT Line 2, starting from Marikina Pasig Station all the way to Recto Station. So right now, nandito na ako sa loob ng train, nakaupo lang and enjoying the ride. I'll show you guys yung bawat station na hinihintuan namin habang papunta sa Recto. We have Santolan, then Katipunan, Anonas, and Cubao. We're super busy and crowded talaga. Next stations are Betigo, Belmonte, Gilmore, J. Ruiz, Bimapa, and finally we are approaching Recto Station. So right now, habang maandar ang train, let me show you the view outside. Makikita ninyo yung city life, buildings, roads, at yung everyday hustle ng Manila. Makikita nyo rin sa reflection ng glass or mirror ng train, yung paligid parang cinematic view habang gumagalaw kami. Ang ganda ng experience kasi habang bumibiyay, kita mo talaga yung buhay ng lungsod. Simple pero meaningful, and now we are almost at Recto Station. Habang bumibiyahe, mapapansin nyo kung gaano kabilis ang train, super smooth lang ng ride, and very convenient talaga, lalo na kung ayaw mo nang stuck sa traffic. Plus naka-aircon pa, so sobrang komportable kahit mainit sa labas. And ayan, finally dumating na tayo sa Recto Station. Pagbaba ko ng station, nag-grab agad ako ng masasakyan papuntang Divisoria. Usually jeep lang ang pinakamadaling option going there. After a short ride, nandito na tayo sa Divisoria. Before tayo pumasok sa mall, umakyat muna ako sa overpass para makuha ko yung wide view ng paligid. As you can see, medyo iba na ang Divisoria ngayon. Wala nang masyadong street vendors sa kalsada. Mas organized na siya compared before. Makikita nyo na rin puro jeep and motor vehicles lang ang dumadaan going back and forth. Medyo less crowded na sa street pero buhay pa rin ang area. Now, ang main goal ko today is pumunta sa 168 Shopping Mall para maghanap ng gowns. May pinapanak kasi yung sister ko. So, magka-canvas tayo ng styles and prices. So, tara, pasok na tayo sa loob ng mall. Pagpasok ko, agad kong napansin na ang daming stalls, literal na halos lahat ng kailangan mo nandito na. From clothes, accessories, bags, hanggang sa iba't ibang items na pwede mong bilhin. I also took some clips of different stalls selling dresses, pants, and other fashion items. Sobrang daming choices kaya perfect talaga dito mag-shopping, especially kung budget friendly hanap mo. Habang umiikot ako, nakakita rin ako ng mga stalls ng magbebenta ng gowns. Iba't ibang styles from simple to elegant designs. Perfect for events like parties, pageants, or special occasion. And syempre, hindi mawawala ang mga pasalubong items. I also film a section where they sell imported chocolates, junk foods, coffee, and other goodies. Perfect pang uwi or pang regalo sa family and friends. Overall, ang daming pwedeng makita at mabili dito sa 168 Mall. Worth it talaga yung pagpunta, especially if you're looking for affordable finds. And that's for today's vlog. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you on my next travel vlog. Bye guys!